Well, hello everybody. Welcome to whatever it is. Welcome to fire alarm test number 37. And it's been 4 years since I've been doing these demos, so I figured I would make this pretty interesting, guys. So, let's get to it. So anyways, what are we testing for today? This is a Simplex truealert. This model is 4903 9425 conventional 4-wire model with the 15 candela strobe. So this is one of the older Simplex truealerts, which is 4-wire instead of 2-wire, because the 2 wires are smart sync. So you've seen this tested in fire alarm system test 14, excuse me. So anyways, let's open it up and take a look at the inside. As you could see, here the inside. This is the whole inside of the unit right here. So let's take a look at the inside of the unit. So this is all you basically see inside a Simplex truealert. So you got 2 wires right here for the strobe, and these 2 are for the horn. Here is the horn piezo right here, and this is the strobe body. And this little red switch right here allows the strobe to run as free run or smart sync. Right now I have the switch flipped down, which is for free run. So actually, I don't know which way it is, but it's kind of hard. I haven't operated this thing in a while, guys, so I believe the down position is free run, and I believe up is smart sync. If not, I'll go into in-depth the video and find out. So let's just go ahead and put the shell back on. As you can see, it is a very cool device, and if you wanna get a Simplex truealert, guys, I would suggest this model right here. So this is a pretty neat Simplex horn strobe right here. So, and it doesn't have the truealert label, and I believe this model came out, and this thing was released somewhere when I was born. So this is one of the models. This is another device that was coming out when the truealerts were first coming out, I believe. I guess that's why it doesn't have the truealert label. I guess this is the first generation. So let's look at the model number on the back. So here's the back of the unit. And this model was made in the 36th week of 1999. So this unit was made so many weeks after when I was born, pretty much. So here is the UL, it's UL listed. So there you go. So anyways, let's hook it up. Before we start out with the strobe testing part, I made a mistake, guys. I accidentally left the truealert in smart sync mode. I thought the down position was free run, but it turns out the switch is down, so it's in smart sync. To put it in free run, I have to flip the switch up to put it in free run. So we're going to start out by testing with smart sync.
Tactical error.
And so I'm going to plug the power supply in right here and unplug it.
If you're running.
See? The strobe only flashed once, so it's in smart sync. I'm going to try that one more time. And unplug it. Yep, that is, so it's in smart sync mode. So I'm going to put it in free run. Okay, now I have the strobe in free run, so it should flash okay. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and switch on the power. Give me one sec. There we go. As you can see, it's flashing away. Let's turn off the overhead light. Hey Google, turn off the light. As you can see, it's a 15 candela strobe. Nothing too special. Hey Google, turn on the light. Yep. Just a truealert strobe on a truealert. So, anyways guys, let's turn off the power. Anyways, that's it for now. Now let's test the horn and strobe together. Sorry, I had to borrow some jumpers from one of my Spectre alerts right here, so I'll put the jumpers back on that after I'm done using the jumpers in this, because I have to use some jumpers to merge the horn within the strobe. So now we're ready fully to go. Now let's test the horn and strobe together. Are you guys ready? It's gonna be loud. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. If I can get the power supply plugged in. There we go. Let's shut it off. that does make a funny sound when it's powering down, so that's just electricity like going out of the circuitry. Well, duh. Wow. That thing is really loud, guys. I can't even believe my eyes. This thing makes a really loud alert sound. It is electronic, but pretty much all true alerts are electronic, guys. I believe all true alerts are electronic, horn strobes and all that. It does sound like a Wheelock horn strobe almost, like the Wheelock EH DL1WM24 that I've tested a long time ago. Yeah, it does sound like that alarm, but it's a little bit lower pitch than the true alert. But I made a video of that alarm a long time ago, back in Fire Alarm Test 18. So, including the white ceiling-mounted Wheelock horn strobe, so why not this one? So, anyways, let's go on to the next part. And for the final part of the test, we're going to be using my Simplex pull station, my Simplex 2099, 97, 96 that used to be addressable, but it's been converted into a conventional pull station. As you can see, I'm using the Simplex pull station because the Simplex pull station pretty much goes with all Simplex true alerts, pretty much, including multi-tone true alerts and chime strobe true alerts and horns by themselves, pretty much, and mini horns too. So basically, if you see a Simplex pull station along with simplex true alerts in some sort, it would, I guess the pull station would be addressable. I don't think they would use conventional like on 4010 systems or 4100 systems. All right, enough with the chit chat. Let's pull it. 3, 2, 1. Man, that's loud. Let's give it one more pull. Just single action, pull down. Stick our simplex BT here, turn it, open the pull station, close it, and it's off. So it's turned off. And you know what I was thinking for a special bonus? Let's do drill mode. And let's close it. All right. That's all there's to it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 37. So, hopefully I bring something back for you guys, a brand new alarm that's never been tested in my Fire Alarm Test demo series. I do have a couple more tests on the line, even more in the future as well. So, these tests have been successful over the last 4 years since ever since 2016 to all the way to late 2020. So I have fun making these series demos, guys. I have fun making these demos. So if you want to see more videos like this, you could please like and subscribe to my channel. So anyways, this was Fire Alarm Test 37. I hope you enjoyed it. My simplex true alert that my friend AJ gave me for Christmas. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and that will be it. Thank you so much, guys, and take care. And be safe out there, guys. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it. Take care.